Today, we're making viral beauty recipes.
I'm getting old waiting for this.
What? Food that makes you more beautiful? Who doesn't want that? Why apply skincare when you can simply eat it?
This is the best way to eat your retinol. Cutting the carrots into ribbons is the most annoying part of this recipe. It should look like ribbons. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to add it or add, but I like spicy, so I'm gonna add a serrano pepper. 3 cloves of garlic, and I like to use this smusher because it's gonna get like really fine without having to waste time chopping it. Garlic and the peppers all in here. Tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. A little bit of regular vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 whole lime. I'm gonna grind up some fresh sesame seeds and just give it a quick toss and let it chill for about 20 minutes before you serve it. And trust me, it is so good, you're gonna be addicted.
Welcome back to my kitchen. Your kitchen queen of chaos is back, but I believe this episode isn't gonna be that chaotic because I'm combining 2 of my passions, beauty and cooking. The hardest part of this recipe is gonna be ribboning all these carrots. I'm gonna peel mine first. FYI guys, my neighbor is just renovating. If you hear that in the background, please blame it on the neighbors. There must be an easier way to do this. I feel like I can barely hold onto the carrot. This is gonna take a while, so. Do you reckon it'll work with that 2-way peeler that you can go ch-ch-ch-ch? Did you see? Did you see? Oh my gosh, am I a genius? On the way up, I get another ribbon. Am I even the queen of chaos anymore, or am I the queen of efficiency? The universe just put me in my place. With the magic of editing, my bowl will be filled. Ta-da! They're all ribboned up. They look fun to eat. Hopefully it'll be tasty. She used chilies, all those peppers. If you want it spicy, go ahead and add that, but I don't want it spicy. Why am I putting on gloves now? I need to season it first. Okay, I've got my minced garlic cloves. They all go in. 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of regular vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Squeeze into it a whole lime. I don't know, I'm salivating already. This is gonna be shower. Sesame seeds, in that goes. And now I can finally put my gloves on. Absorb that flavor. I'm just gonna wait 20 minutes and then we can taste test this. I think it is time to try our retinol. This actually looks good and it smells really nice. Dig in. Tastes like a pickle salad.
Just like one of those like Korean side dishes you get at a restaurant.
It's actually really good. It's got that nice crunch of a carrot, but it's not so like hard because it's in a ribbon form, and it's softened up. So the vinegar, the lemon, the sesame oil is what's making it kind of seem more like a Korean side dish. But guys, it tastes like a pickle, like a subtle pickle carrot salad. I like it, and obviously it's got that garlic, so you've got that like garlicky hit. Definitely try the salad out. I don't know if it's going to give me the same effects of, you know, what my retinol does for my skin, but it's delicious. Double thumbs up. Double thumbs from my man too. Double thumbs.
Apparently, a shot of this a day will keep you looking young.
This is the best slow aging recipe to start in your 20s. First, you need olive oil, not just any type. Look for extra virgin so you can get the most amount of antioxidants. Next, make sure it says cold press. Add about a tablespoon into your glass, then squeeze in the same amount of lemon juice. It balances the taste and gives extra brightening effects. Try it after your meal every day. Your skin will thank you later.
Can you see my forehead wrinkles, guys? I need this shot. I need to slow down my aging. Show me your wrinkles. Oh my gosh, look at all those wrinkles. You need to slow your aging down, and I'm gonna make you the perfect shot. Remember back in the day, we used to take shots together? This is a different type of shot. Shall I mix it up for you?
Is that oil?
It's not just any oil, it's cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil. Did you just leave the building? What's wrong? Basically, you want like a tablespoon of this. You gotta like squeeze in the same amount. Apparently it's gonna cut through the taste, but I really don't know. I have a seed in mine, great. Extra fiber. We met when we were young, now we're trying to stay young. Cheers. I forgot I had a seed in mine. It wasn't so bad. It was just like lemon juice and then it leaves like an oil residue and now I'm like, I've got glossy lips, but it's actually olive oil.
I don't feel healthier. I feel kind of sick now.
I feel healthier. I feel younger already. Not bad, actually. Not bad.
I can't do it every day.
You got to do it every day. I mean, I'm going to do it because olive oil is kind of expensive. So if you want to sit out of it, by all means, okay? Actually, not bad. I pictured it way grosser. I could do this on the daily. I don't know if it actually works or not. Like, I'll check back in with you guys in 20 years. I'm going to give it a 1 thumbs. It wasn't actually that bad. Are you going to go and vomit or something? What's wrong? I was like, he can't stop moving. I
I feel
don't
like, yeah, oily.
You feel oily? But the good kind of oily. No. He just feels greasy. I don't mind it. 1. He's side thumb. Okay, he's on the fence. What's the benefits? It's a digestive jump start. The oil acts like a mild lubricant for the digestive system. Lemon, the acidity can stimulate bile production, helps your body break down fats more efficiently. It's got vitamin C, helps support immune function and skin health by aiding collagen production. Oh, I'm sold. I'm sold. Consider yourself educated. It's gone up. 2 thumbs, guys. 2 thumbs.
We need to start this ASAP.
My mom is 63 years old and this is how she looks so young for her age. This one is named Wellness Shot and she drinks one every day. You only need 4 ingredients. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which helps to brighten the skin. Tangerine is packed with antioxidants for a natural glass skin glow. Ginger is a powerful anti-inflammatory booster, and some turmeric, which is the ultimate anti-aging spice. Blend, strain them, and store in small shot glasses. 1 shot a day, and your inner glow will start shining through.
How good did her mum look? I want to look that good when I'm 63. So let's make this wellness shot. So you only need 4 ingredients: lemons, tangerines. I've seen people use oranges as well. Ginger, a thumb of ginger, teaspoon of turmeric. There is an option to add in pepper because it helps turmeric absorb better. Let's just taste it first before we commit to that. 1/2 cup of water. Blend everything. It smells really good. It smells like the juice. Why do I feel like this is a recipe for like a disaster? Am I foreseeing the future here? But I'm committed. Look at the size of my strainer and the cup. Not even like one of those spout things on this. Ah! Nah, this is not gonna cut it, guys. My natural default is to be chaotic unintentionally. Bowl, yes. She's thick and healthy. Okay, this is taking forever. I think I'm getting old waiting for this drink. It's best to drink this in the morning, but I mean, let's just pretend it's morning. Cheers. Oh,
That's spicy.
definitely can taste the ginger, but it's good. It's good. That's like one of those like $5-6 shots that you get from the
that's right.
smoothie place, huh? Tastes healthy. Tastes like an expensive juice bar shot. Is this one better than the olive oil?
Yes.
Yeah, this one tastes better. A little bit more effort, but it does taste better.
Wait, what's the benefits of this?
Wait, hold on. I know the benefits off the top of my head. Hey Gemini, tell me, what's the benefits of drinking like a wellness shot? I need to explain it to my husband and make me sound really smart.
If you want to convince your husband that this isn't just expensive juice,
Why is it talking back to
it's
me?
basically a concentrated.
When you drink this, you know when you feel puffy and stuff? This helps with the lymphatic drainage. The ginger is good for digestion. Lemon, it's a pH balancing and liver detox support. And then obviously the tangerine's got vitamin C and antioxidants. So obviously, who didn't know the benefits of that wellness shot? Should we try it with pepper? It was quite spicy already, but you know, they say you want to add some spice in your life. 1 tap.
Yeah, so. Yeah, you're having that one.
That's not even much.
It's spicy.
I didn't do it on purpose.
I wanted 1 tap.
I didn't even tap it. It's just like, I'm having this one. Cheers. Let's see if pepper tastes better. Yeah, you know what? Add pepper. Can't really taste the difference. It still has that ginger burning taste. Make your own wellness shot, guys. Pretty easy.
If you want glowy skin, make this.
Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my mom's Jujube ginger tea. This is the one tea that my family and I drink every day. It's not only delicious, but it's also very, very, very healthy. Gives you the best sleep and glowy skin. So the first thing that you do is you soak up the jujube and you soak it until it's soft so that you can snip it. Snipping the jujube is key because this will allow it to release more of its nutrients and sweetness when we cook it. So once it's all snipped up, you don't need to take out the seeds. You're going to cook it in the Instant Pot for 20 minutes. And simply do a quick release and let all the steam and pressure flow out. Add 100 grams of peeled ginger along with more water and let it come to a boil using the saute function. Once it boils, continue boiling it for 30 minutes. Then take it out, use gloves so you don't burn yourself, and then take out the jujube and ginger. Discard the ginger, we don't need it anymore. What's important here is that you press down on the jujube while pouring the hot tea over it. This double extracts the nutrients and flavor from the jujube because there's still so much that we need to pull out. And you want to keep doing that until you're left just with the skin. Then combine the initial tea with the double extracted tea and you're done. And that's how you make our jujube ginger tea. Let it cool down and put it in an airtight container.
I've got my jujubes. Anyways, they have been soaking and they've kind of like softened up. So now I am going to start cutting them. You don't have to take the seeds out. You can just cut around the seeds. Again, this is very tedious. I'm doing this for glowy skin. I would do anything for glowy skin. How wholesome it is. Us two in the kitchen, snipping jujubes so that we have glowy skin to impress each other so that we stay together for much longer. The secret to a long marriage. I don't have one of those Instapots, but my rice cooker is also a pressure cooker. So I'm going to pop these into there with some water. This is gonna be cooked for about 20 minutes. My jujubes are done. I'm going to add garlic. Sorry, I'm going to add ginger. Do not have garlic. I know I love garlic. I don't think that's what we're going for. I'm gonna add in ginger, close this up. Problem is she cooks it. What setting am I gonna put my rice cooker? Another 30 minutes? I'm just scooping the jujubes out. I don't know how to say it. Jujubes. I'm gonna smush it. This is where all the sweetness is at still. Then I'm just gonna scoop the hot tea over that. Be a little bit tedious, but think about all that fiber. My skin's gonna be glowing. I don't know how long it took her to do this. The skin is what's left. I think I can discard this now. And now we can add the liquids together. Once again, another recipe for disaster. We've all seen my pouring skills. I held my breath. With the magic of editing, this will be filled. All right, don't say I never served tea on this channel. I have high hopes for this because I feel like any tea with jujube will be good. So soothing and warming. It's sweet. The ginger is more subtle, so you don't get that like spice hit, but it's very warming. I like it, like perfect for the morning, or maybe like you live somewhere cold and you want like a nice warm drink that will make you feel and look better. I just know that grandma, she was glowing and that's all I remember. And if she drinks this, I'm gonna start drinking this. It's supposed to help you sleep better at night. Oh, Alf's down here. He's gonna knock out real soon then. I like it. You know, out of all the drinks today, or the recipes, where do you think this one ranks? Olive oil is probably the least tastiest.
This one, I think because of like the texture. It's nice, but I think because of the texture, it's like a bit...
I understand what Alf is saying. He doesn't like grainy drinks. This is a grainy drink. I don't mind it. I like the tea. I think, yes, definitely the wellness shot is probably the best tasting one. And then this, and then the olive oil. But guys, the carrot salad, because that was the only like food, that's pretty good on its own too. But yeah, this, I'm gonna give it a double thumbs up. I am actually gonna like start making these. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so then in like 10, 15, 20 years, you'll be able to see if it works or not. I'll be getting younger, guys, and you know why. Ching! And that's all the beauty recipes I have for you guys today. If you guys want to watch more kitchen chaos, please click the video on screen. For all you guys asking about Zen, she's coming back soon. She's coming to visit me. She's got flights booked, so you guys will see her shortly. Though she's always here in spirit because she edits these videos. Don't forget to thumb this video. Subscribe if you're new here, and I'll speak to you guys next time. Bye! Am I beautiful yet?